It's a 2008 Honda Odyssey. Tasteful, impressive, innovative. Odyssey, more than just a minivan. It comes with all the amenities you need. Power sliding left and right rear passenger door, dual zone climate control, AM/FM satellite radio, auto dimming rear view mirror, entertainment system with DVD, power windows, leather steering wheel, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive highlights its improved car-like ride and handling, a more powerful and fuel-efficient 255 horsepower V6 engine, and a clever seating system that can accommodate up to 8 passengers. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Our online price quotes make sure if you're buying Honda, you've got our best price right up front. BartlesvilleHonda.com, the website of Honda of Bartlesville.